So you're new to boating, you're just going to love this. Rock and roll! Well, we've got going to try something new now, and I've never done these stainless steel handrails, and this is a product called StarClean. Yes, you can see it, and this is what it says: apply StarClean with a wet sponge. That's a wet sponge. Wash the item and then dry it with a rag. The StarClean is a powerful cleaner protector and leaves a high gloss finish without any buffing. Used on all metals, stainless steel, perfect for RVs and boats. So here we go. Let's give it a try, guys. StarClean. Apply StarClean with a wet sponge. So let's try a bit. There's your wet sponge. And here's your StarClean. Right, let's see how we go. We'll put a bit in the middle like that. Right, here we go. Now let's show these beautiful people the bits. The area we're going to do is this grubby bit. Now this has not been touched for a year. You wipe it on
and wipe it off,
and it rinses off. Wish me luck. Oh, I think it's really worked. Shit, look at that. Now let's get the dry rag, which we do have here. Oh my god. How cool is that, guys? Let's just dry it once more. Third time lucky. Let's check it out. That's not bad at all, is it?
That's brilliant.
That is not bad.
That's brilliant.
At all, guys. That's not bad at all. What do you reckon? Hey, first time I've ever used it, and it's on camera. That's pretty impressive, Paul, isn't it?
I'm going to go and try a little bit on mine.
Yeah, why not? Right, we'll put a bit more of this on then. Right, ready to go? Let's go. Three.
Wow, goodness me.
How cool is that?
That is amazing. Oh, magic. It is.
There we go, guys. That's that rail done. There we are. That's about that. Pretty good, eh? Rock and roll. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll catch you another day. Rock and roll. Yes, yes. Rock and roll.